Oy, adi, as kanina pa. Sinaswine. Waya. And the fiesta's done. No. Okay, nakuha na. Also tayo dyan the single by the full version on video. Long video sa GBA. Indog mauya. Okay, dami na makauwi. Indog mauwi. Indog mauwi. Indog may pagkawas. Indog mauwi, bye-bye. My God, kayo lang. My goodbye. Diba? Balik ko na. What? Nanasun siya na eh. Tell JP about this. Let us surprise account. Surprise. May anak ka pa. Wala pa, tinfil. Naya, yun yung bayapakyo. Pwede na, nalihon ko na. Asan si JB, dasingin hunter? Ha, to. Okay, JB. Umiyadan ko naman. Aman, you like video ka na ito? Ha? Dapat na yung nipaw. You like them? Actually, there's something in your mind that could ruin my life for good. What's that all about? It's because I just summoned them nationwide. So that means you're done. Not that. I mean the one that I upload and send it to you because you are immortal. You are going to die. If you want to hear this story. Long story in here. After that non-story. And then that was it. Thank you again. Birthday ka na JV, the single hunter. Well, ako Kyle, is not a single hunter fan, but also infielder, basta na nito nanawan, gamer, content creator. I hate you for summoning. You know what, I just summon them, not you, because you're the only reason why you just summon video Pimautun. And yeah, didn't you just say 2 AM? You think again. Kapuukan na fiesta at doon na conduct dito LB pati ang babae na balay because you like girls in your head. Just went too far and just went ahead until 2 to 4 AM. So yeah, wala ka na buhay. May buhay, wala ka. So yeah, goodbye JB the Single Hunter. It's mine now. Ako ng tono mo. Yun kita ha.